this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Reader to get yourself a discount. So this is Acecook 60th Anniversary Wonton Men. Or Wonton Tanmen. I don't know. It says in the description. But, yeah, so that's what we're doing. And there it is. So, this will take 3 minutes of your time. So enjoy those 3 minutes. There. And down. So, yeah. It's almost the weekend. It's the cusp. Just the cusp of the weekend. And things are going on, stuff and things. This weekend, actually, Sunday is the Super Bowl, and I've never been like, I don't like football. I think it's stupid. But you might like it. That's fine with me. I'm not going to have a big fit about your enjoyment of football. But I guess there's some deal with Taylor Swift and the football. We'll see. People just have fits about everything these days, don't they? I don't understand why. Wow, look at that. All that steam. Can you see the steam? I'm sure you can. It takes a couple minutes. A couple minutes more. Hot. See, that could be an intro or an outro, just like... It could be. I could do it, pull it back here. Something like that. I don't know, I experiment with all sorts of weird stuff. Oh, there goes the sun. Here come the clouds. So I put up that thing so I could take pictures so the light wouldn't screw with it. And guess what? Now the sun is going away. So I'm like, ooh, I can take that down and just use the regular light, right? Yeah, you know what happens as soon as I do that? The sun comes back out brighter than ever, and I'm all like, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Problems I have in my life are far and few between, except for the fact that I've been broke. I don't know. I saw a post of people that were complaining about how something about their pizza. They were getting Domino's pizza and it's like blah, 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 blah. I was like, oh, I make my own. That's what we have for dinner on the weekends. Yeah, making your own pies? Highly recommend it, yo. And it's cheap. And it's fun. You get to make a pizza. Make a pizza. So all you do, what do? I got a bread machine, 4 cups of flour, 1 1/3 cups of water, hot water, hot tap water usually, salt, sugar, and what do you call it? Yeast. Is that it? A lot of the time I'll also, instead of just using a ton of salt, I'll use garlic salt, like that Lowry's garlic salt stuff. That's kind of nice. You can see it in the dough. Okay, let's give this a try. Here's the broth. Whoa. You know, I'm gonna have to go so far as to say that's kind of gross. It's got such a fake buttery flavor to it. It's not my cup of noodles. Oh, that's a little uncentered. No. That's good enough. I don't care. I'm not really thrilled about this one. And all I've really got to go with it is an egg. I got some spring onion. I don't know. Yeah, I'll use this knife. What the heck? Whoa! That's weird. Just sitting on its side, it's dented. We'll see how this pans out. Whoa, I have a feeling this is going to be a... Yeah, it is. It's a dripper! It's a bonus dripper. It's the name of an album by Black Moth Super Rainbow, isn't it? Or like an extra album, an EP. I can't remember. I think it is. There's a guy that is part of Black Moth Super Rainbow, and his performing name is Tobacco, and he's where it's at. I listen to a lot of tobacco music. You don't have to utilize tobacco to enjoy the music. It's not very popular these days to be a person who uses tobacco products. That's fine. I used to salute the tobacconist often, and then I found vaping, which I find to be much more pleasant, much less detrimental. Rotate. All right, the next one you're gonna see, and the last one I'm doing today, is Nongshim's noodle salad with sesame vinaigrette. It's a cold noodle. You cook it, you drain it, you rinse it, you add all the junk in, and then you eat it with your face. Usually something like this goes good with like egg and what do you call it? A lot of veg, tomato, things like that. Good for the summer months. So I'm guessing this is coming out in June, so you might see this around if it's still around. They come out with a lot of things that are kind of different like this that are very short-lived and then just disappear. There was one called Pot or Pan. I've had people recently asking about that one. It's like, I'm pretty sure that sucker's discontinued. I haven't seen it in a long time, but people get really unhappy. There was one that people really liked called Hururuk, which was supposed to be like the sound of like slurping noodles, like Hururuk. I don't know. Doesn't sound like that to me. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.